Hello everyone, this is part 3 of our lecture on color wheel. So I figured out a better way to divide in this part. You want to divide your circle into 12 even sections, 30 degree each. And I figured out how to do it better than we did last time. So if you do it correct, you did it correctly last time, move on. Okay? But if you're not, if you start here and you get stuck, this is what you do. The first thing we're going to do on this one is make sure that you work on Illustrator files, because if you accidentally open PDF, it will say PDF at the end of the file name, and that's not good. You want to open the Illustrator. The first thing you want to do is to draw a line, to click on the line tool, and you want the stroke only want to be 0.25. Now, if you don't have the control panel open, you want to open window and you want to make sure you have everything I select. So application frame, control, properties, okay? Now, I have the smart guide on, so I know where the center of the circle is. Say you want to make sure when you click on, so you cannot select now, you lock the circle. Let's unlock it and move it to the position that work easier for us. You want the center of the circle at 3, X and Y, right in the middle of the paper, okay? And you want to make sure the width and the height is 4. Now, if you have it locked and it's in the different number, for example, if I have it locked and say it like this, okay, that's not good, right? It's incorrect. Very easy to fix. You unlock it and you fix it manually, and you have it perfect. And you can lock it again, and then you're always going to be able to draw the circle. So under transform is going to be under window, under property, and you want to make sure the x and y of your center is 3 inch by 3 inches. That's the coordinates, and the width and the height is 4 and 4, and you're gonna lock it. Okay, so it's perfect. We're gonna lock this. And now let's go and draw a line. We're gonna draw not the radius, but the diameter. So it's 4 inches. So before I draw, I'm gonna hover my drawing until I see the word center. And I'm not clicking, I just hover, keep it when the purple light's on. Keep going without clicking until it say anchor. Hold down shift key, click and drag, and go to the other side. When it say path, click the mouse, let the mouse go, and let the shift key go. Now we're gonna rotate around 15 and then 30, 30, 30. And I will tell you why 15. So we're gonna double click on the rotation tool, and the first thing we want to rotate, if it's a minus 15, it go clockwise. If you want to count the clockwise, do 15. So let's do 15 first. Okay, and then you double click and you do 30, but you click copy. Make sure you click copy. Not okay. And then you double click and then you do 30, 30 and make copy. And then you go double click and copy, and double click and copy, and we're almost there. Double click and copy. Now we beautifully divide our circle into 12 perfect sections. We're going to use our selection tool. We're going to select all of that and we're going to lock it. Let's go and lock it. So let's go. If you want, here is a cool thing, okay? If you don't want the straight line and you want a dotted line because you cool and you want to you know, have it like a template, maybe we don't have that option. Never mind. We're not that cool. And then you go object. So select what you just drew, and you go to object, and you will lock selection. So you just finished your template. Okay. So that's part 3 of our lecture. Everything's locked. Everything's locked. So that's perfect.